Okay, 14B, the last one here. We've got another one of these. So the one in the test will either be an exponential as a growth, or it could be a decay. So it doesn't really matter. This one's a decay problem. We're starting out with 100 grams of bismuth, 210. Now the 210 that's on here, that's an isotope name, so you don't need to use 210 anywhere. It's asking for how long will it take the original amount of that bismuth 210 to decay to 38 grams, and it says around to the nearest day, because your T is in terms of days that we're given there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a 38 in for the A, because that's the amount that's left. We have to figure out after how much time has passed for that to go down to 38 grams. So we have 100 E to the, we have our KT here. Alright, so next we need to get E by itself, so we have to divide both sides by 100. Okay, so we get 38 divided by 100, it's 0.38 we get there, and then we have the rest of it. You want to get the T by itself, so in order to do that we need to get rid of the E, and you can do that by taking the natural log of both sides. So we're going to take the natural log of 0.38, and we're going to take the natural log on the other side here. The natural log and the E are going to cancel out. That's the whole reason for taking the natural log of both sides. And what you'll be left with is natural log of 0.38 is going to equal negative 0.1382 T. And so then you want to solve for the time. So we're going to divide both sides by this decimal. Now when we divide by this, it may seem like we're going to get a negative answer. However, when you put ln of 0.38 in your calculator, that also gives you a negative value. So that's why even though it looks like it's negative, it's actually correct. You'll get a positive result. Now they want you to round to the nearest day. So when you put this part into your calculator, you're going to get about 7 days as a result. So that's how long it would take for it to decay. So if we start out with this, decay is pretty fast. So after 1 week, basically 100 grams will be taken down to 38 grams.